What's this? You know what that is? That's called age. Things break when it's old. Hey, hunt fish. I got a repair to do. I got to get a number of pieces, pipes, hosing clamps, and so forth. I got the epoxy glue, which I always have to use, and I'm gonna rearrange my piping a little bit different. So let's get on going and get this job doing right. Think I got it all. This is the first time this company wrapped their goods up, and I'm good to go. So I threw my stuff out and I'm ready to do my install. My pipe, if I told you, is split all the way down the middle. And now I gotta go do some measurements. I gotta do some cutting. And off I go. How long will it take me to do the work? Maybe a half an hour. But I'm gonna take my time and have a good time doing it. Cost me about $30, $36 maybe for all the parts. Now that's like what, 10% of what somebody's going to charge you for the work? $360? Man, oh man, that's plumbing for you. Ooh, look, a drippity drippity drip, and there's no opening. Invisible piping. What I'm trying to do here is bring a pipe up this way. Bring a pipe this way as high as I can go. Maybe just do it like this. And then bring this pipe this way. So 2 pipes rather than 3. I made a mistake, but may never know when you could use that other pipe. This one has a lip, and for the reason of, I need to take this piece, I need to slide it up so I can lock it into place the correct way on the sink. If everything was laid out correctly at the store, I wouldn't be grabbing just 1 or 2 items. I grab them all, then take the ones I need. I have a pipe that's going to go here, and I have a pipe that's going to go here. And then I'm going to have a pipe that goes here. Washer and the nut, the socket, whatever you want to call it. We're good. We're done. Just like that. We got height. We can put things in nice and comfortable. And that's the end of the plumbing. Turn the water on and hope for no leaks. The water runs. All looks good. My next project is to take out this faucet. The seatings are no good. Might as well just go get a brand new faucet that will be happier for this kitchen. I hope this video was a little bit of entertaining. I apologize for the flicker of the light that caused the GoPro to get that flicker going. We raised the shutter speed, but yet I need a better camera. And I need to get something that will do better reviews and higher quality than an action camera. I hope this repair, a $36 repair, got the job done for me. Enjoy your how-tos. Very simple, very easy to do, and that's the way it is. I pat myself on the shoulder and hope to see you on many other videos to come. Later. Time to clean up. We'll let somebody else do the cleanup. I got my job done, and that's what I get paid for, to do a nice job.